Tired of fumbling for tokens or tickets? Let's unlock the secrets to stress-free subway travel in Toronto using your Presto card. First things first, make sure your Presto card has enough funds. You can reload it online through the Presto card website or app. Simply create an account, link your card, and add funds using a credit or debit card. Alternatively, you can reload your card in person at a Presto machine located inside subway stations. These machines accept cash, debit, and credit cards. Select the amount you want to add and follow the on-screen instructions. You can also visit a Shoppers Drug Mart to reload your Presto card. Simply tell the cashier how much you'd like to add and pay using your preferred method. Now, let's talk about tapping as you approach the fare gate. Hold your Presto card flat against the Presto reader. You'll hear a beep and see a green light, indicating a successful tap. The fare will be automatically deducted from your card if you're transferring to another mode of transportation, like a bus or streetcar. Be sure to tap again when you board. This ensures you're charged the correct fare. Keeping track of your balance is easy. You can check it online through the app or at a Presto machine. Regularly check your balance to avoid any surprises at the fare gate. And that's it. With your Presto card loaded and ready, you're all set to navigate the Toronto subway system with ease. Happy travels!